You have to hold it like this.
Lesson 1. First, you grab the dick. Next, you gently lick it up and down. Then, insert it into the mouth. Take it slow. Don't rush it. And before you know it, god dang. I said suck the motherfucker, you biting shit.